Welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen, and I hope you're all doing well. Our recipe today is an eggplant roll that you will discover with me. If you're interested in the recipe, stay with me from start to finish. I have 2 eggplants here that I washed well. I will cut them this way and remove the stem. Then I slice them into thin pieces like this. I continue the same way until I finish the rest, then I come back to you. I bring a bowl and add a small spoon of salt. I mix it like this. Then I soak the eggplant slices in the salted water. I place a bowl filled with water on top to keep them fully submerged. This helps them absorb the water and salt, and I'll come back shortly. They will stay here for about 20 minutes. I heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I add half an onion, finely chopped like this. Just half an onion is enough. I saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. I add 2 crushed or grated garlic cloves. I have 200 grams of ground meat, but you can also use chicken breast cut into small pieces. Use 200 to 250 grams. I am using a bit of ground meat today. You can use chicken, beef, or chicken pieces. All versions turn out great. The result is always tasty. I add chopped red pepper and chopped green pepper, both cut into small cubes. I salt them lightly. We don't want them fully cooked because they will bake later. This helps them keep their flavor. I add a bit of parsley, about 2 tablespoons. Salt is added to taste, but I use half a small spoon. I add a 1/4 spoon of black pepper and a small spoon of dried basil. These are the spices I am adding today. I add 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. I mixed a small spoon of tomato paste with water until it reached halfway. I stirred it and got 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. This is the quantity we need. For measurement, I use a regular small glass cup. I let it cook on low heat for a few minutes. Then I come back to you. The eggplant has been soaking for 20 minutes and the filling is ready. I drain the eggplant slices from the water. The meat mixture is cooked and it is important not to cover it while cooking. Now I turn off the heat. After draining the eggplant, I place parchment paper on a tray and sprinkle some cheese. Just a light layer is enough. I arrange the eggplant slices like this and add a little more so they stick together. It is important to overlap them slightly in this way. I continue the same process until I finish the whole amount. I mix 3 tablespoons of oil with a quarter spoon of black pepper. I add salt to taste, garlic powder, and a pinch of red pepper. I pour them over the oil. Then I mix everything well. I brush the eggplant from the top using this mixture. Don't add too much salt because the eggplant soaked in salted water. This keeps the balance right. The eggplant is ready and fully coated with the sauce. The oven is preheated to 200 C and I bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Then we will fill the eggplant and finish the recipe together. The eggplant is cooked and I pour the meat and pepper mixture over it. Spread it evenly on top. I sprinkle a bit of cheese, any type you prefer. Then I start rolling it like this. I return it to the oven and decorate it with cheese slices or shredded cheese. I bake again at 180°C for 15 minutes until the cheese melts. It should become slightly golden. This is the final look of the eggplant roll. I decorated it with a thin slice of pepper. I added a light touch of salt, a bit of pepper, and sprinkled parsley in the center. These cheese circles give a nice finish. Decorate it however you like. Now I will cut it so you can see how it looks inside. This is how it turned out. As you can see, it is delicious and soft inside. You can fill it with anything you like. It works with many types of stuffing. I hope you enjoy the recipe and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get all new videos. See you in the next video.